I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, Friday, November 20th, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Corn market, I'm not sure the bulls or the bears can muster much of anything in here. You got a strong seasonal period where corn tries to rally, and you got a big managed short in the corn position in the corn market. So we'll see who wins this going forward. I do believe that the corn out of the U.S. Gulf of Mexico is some of the cheapest feed grain in the world right here, right now. So we've got the corn, and let's have the rest of the world come in and buy it from us. I wish it was that easy sometime. Soybean market, you've got strong demand for U.S. soybeans. This is different than the demand scenario in corn and wheat. So again, this is a seasonal time of the year where we try to rally in the soybean market. Next week, the day after Thanksgiving, soybeans are typically always higher. Is this a guarantee this year? Absolutely not. But this is a heavyweight battle here in the short term, strong seasonal for soybean to rally versus a big managed fund short position in soybeans. Argentina, you have a runoff election this weekend on Sunday. Be careful about the polls and who's going to win the election. Nonetheless, Argentina has a lot of soybeans in storage. Argentina is the biggest soybean meal and soybean oil producer in the world today. So there's soybean meal there ready to be sold and shipped. And what a calamity that Argentina, in the 1930s, they were the leading export of meat and beef in the world today. Today, they're ninth biggest beef exporter in the world. So a calamity going on there. There's change in the air. And what they say, as they say, change is a good thing here going forward. Next week, we got a half, Thursday we're closed for Thanksgiving. Friday is a half day, so we'll be in here a half day Friday after Thanksgiving. Last week we talked about cotton and soy and cotton. I want to go back to cotton. These are the lowest cotton acres since 1983, and some of these states down in the southern part of our great country, they've got the lowest cotton exports since the Civil War. So the demand for cotton, I believe, is trending lower, and the demand for soybeans in our lifetime is trending higher, and I think this is going to continue. So looking forward to, as we move into the next weather cycle, certainly next year, maybe a weather cycle that's not so friendly for crops, maybe a little more hot and dry in 2016, so stay tuned for that. Everybody have an excellent weekend, and next week spend some time with our families on Thanksgiving. That's important. Thank you. On futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.